Ogai mar doho Martha Koome otelo ne jokanyo mamoko e romo mar poro wach e keto kenge mag biro winjo ng'ur kod buche motenore kod yiero maduong' mabiro. Riwruok mar okinde pacho ka LSK kokalo kuom ogai Martha margi Faith Odhiambo ochwalo kwayo ne od bura mamalo mondo oket tenge omenda moromo ne doho mathurka mondo obi okonygi e tayo chenro magi kod ikruok ne buche ma inyalo bichwal e doho kotenore kod duoko mar ombulu e higa mar 2027.
Of course, occasionally, like today, we then have these occasions which are rare and far between, where we can speak as we engage with external stakeholders to share views and also to learn. Certainly, the judiciary will defend its independence fiercely, and any attempt at intimidation or interference of the judicial process will be resisted. Judges only will apply a strict reading of the law and the Constitution and the Constitution as a whole. But that said, judicial officers are also citizens, and that is why you will read sometime in our judgments we take judicial notice, because we also observe and we see what others are seeing. We see what the LSK is seeing, what the AG was talking about, what JLAC has told us about, what LG has observed. We see it too. The election processes towards 2027 have already begun. There is IEBC doing its work, registration of voters, etc. The executive arm of government is issuing the IDs. And social media is giving us a window to look in. It's giving us a look in at the tensions that are starting to arise, whether it is from freedom of speech, or whether that freedom of speech is actually hate speech, or where there is potential for electoral offenses that may be committed. All these we're seeing in social media. And media reports are alluding to the fact that campaigns have already started ahead of time and that campaign financing is already on the rollout.